What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to our channel, MF Cooking. Today we're going to be making a quick and easy homemade pizza. We hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. And hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. For this recipe, we're going to need Parmesan cheese, mozzarella cheese, tomato sauce, pizza crust, pepperonis, seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and parsley. First, we're going to season our tomato sauce with seasonal, garlic powder, onion powder, Italian seasoning, and parsley. Then we're going to mix. Now we're going to spread our tomato sauce on our pizza crust, but remember to follow the directions on the back of your package before spreading your sauce. Next, we're going to add our cheeses. Now we're going to add our pepperonis and sprinkle a little bit more cheese on top and bake for 25 minutes. And there you have it, a quick and easy homemade pizza. We hope y'all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that notification bell to be notified when we post a new video. And remember to tell everybody that you know that them MFers be cooking.